Nubia X review. The new Nubia X comes with two screens, front and back. The front one uses a 6.26 inches ES panel with a 19:9 aspect ratio and FHD and resolution, and there is no notch. The side bezels are gone and the top and bottom ones are very thin. The screen-to-body ratio is 93.6%. The Nubia X doesn't have a front-facing camera, as you can easily snap selfies with the dual setup on the back using the secondary screen. The main purpose of the secondary OLED screen is to let you take selfies using the device's only two cameras, but this also means greater flexibility when using these main cameras. The rear 5.1 inches ES OLED screen with HD and resolution supports eye protection technologies and AOD, which can display a dynamic picture, clock, or customized wallpapers and signatures. Moreover, the two screens are linked, so when you're gaming, the rear display can serve as a gamepad with a multi-finger operation. Also, the rear screen blends with the rear glass for superb aesthetics. Both displays are sourced from Bokeh and are protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 3. You can either let the Nubia X's behavior prediction software determine which side you're looking at, or simply touch both capacitive fingerprint readers. That's right, there's one on each side bezel. They also double as home and back buttons, to manually switch screens. It's because Nubia applied a software-based 3-level blue light filter to the OLED screen, and it encourages users to flip to that side at night for both eyesight protection and better sleep quality. On top of that, the Nubia X's blue models, ocean blue and gold, even come with a physical blue light filter baked into the back glass cover, hence their extra $14. When you're not browsing on the OLED screen, you can still take advantage of its always-on display capability and set a clock or live wallpaper here, and it looks pretty sweet. That said, Nubia clearly borrowed the beta fish idea from the Apple Watch here. The area above the rear screen is taken up by a 24 megapixels and a 16 megapixels camera aided by AI for scene recognition and photo shooting. Nubia has serious expertise in camera software, and we expect that its latest developments will bring out the best from the hardware it has used on the Nubia X. Nubia also claims that this camera's portrait mode uses AI tricks to analyze the subject's ethnicity, facial features, age, skin tone, and other characteristics to set the right kind of beautification and bokeh. Similarly, the AI software has also been trained with over 4,000 scenes to automatically optimize images accordingly. The model is based on a Snapdragon 845 chipset paired with 6GB/8GB of RAM and 64GB/128GB/256GB of storage. On both sides of the handset, fingerprint sensors are placed for enhanced convenience. The thin body of the Nubia X. The Nubia X houses a 3800 miliamperes battery. The handset runs on Nubia UI 6.0 with Evolution Tensor. The 6GB plus 64GB version of the model is priced at 3,299 Chinese yuan, and the 8GB plus 128GB variant costs 3,699 Chinese yuan. The Nubia X starts from 3,299 yuan, or about $470 for the 6GB RAM plus 64GB storage model, and maxes out at 4,299 yuan, or about $620 for the 8GB RAM plus 256GB storage and blue light glass filter version.